Welcome back to Vanna Reels. This is the second installation of Fall into Staples with me. And the staple items that I'm going to show you today are textured handbags. Now, what I love about the fall season, I have a few textured handbags that are like fur or Sherpa that I love to wear during this season because they just fit well with a lot of my outfits. I'm wearing heavier garments, I'm layering, I'm wearing more deep and dark colors. So these items are a few of my, I think I might have more than these out of my textured bags, but I haven't had a chance to pull them all, but these might be it. All right, first bag is my favorite to wear during the fall and winter. This little green handbag, baby. She's so stinking cute. Look at her. I absolutely adore her. I bought this from Target like a few years back. I want to say probably 2019, maybe. And she was $8. I think I bought her during the summertime. Like I usually buy things. I buy things out of season because they're usually at a cheaper price. So I love to buy them. You can take the strap off or wear it with. I love this bag because it can fit literally everything. I can fit my phone. I can fit my camera. I can low-key fit my smaller tripod in here too. But I love this to wear out and about in the fall and winter, in the snow. I mean, not when it's snowing, but when it's snow on the ground, I'm still wearing this. And I just love this color green. It's just so deep and dark. It's just so freaking gorgeous. And y'all, this bag has held me through a couple fall and winters. And I get compliments on this bag so much. And people are always like, I haven't seen one like this. I haven't seen one like this. Yo, I got it from Target years ago. I mean, I just found it one day randomly. And I was like, I have to have this. And I remember she was $8 because I don't like paying full price for nothing, okay? But yes, this is my first baby. I love her. Me and her are through thick and thin. You will see us through the fall and winter, okay? This is my girl right here. I think I have some old stuff in here. I didn't go through it, but that's neither here nor there. But yes, first bag, look at that texture. Look how cute she is. She's so cute. Next bag is this nice little off-white Sherpa, and it's with a faux black leather. This one, I love it because it has the drawstring, and it reminds me of the 90s Coach bags they used to have. And I feel like this has a lot of space in it. I love to wear this one. The only downfall about this one is it does shed. And I want to say I purchased this one from Rainbow, but I still love it. Like, I have to be mindful of what I wear it with. But I just love, look at that. It's so stinking cute. Look at that Sherpa. And I love these bags because they're the perfect size for when you don't want to wear a huge bag, but you want to be able to fit enough stuff of what you're wearing. The only downfall is the strap is not very plus size friendly. So most of the times I'll probably either, wear it off to the side, or I will, if I do wear it over my shoulder, I'm really conscious of what I'm wearing because that's when it really does shed on top of me. But I absolutely adore this bag. She is fun. She's a neutral. And when you might just have on a plain outfit and want to add something fashion related, or you want to feel like you're still, ripping into your style and really running into your style, I feel like, not ripping and running, what? But at least you'll know that you'll have something that is very textured still, and just kind of like a fashion element you want to add to your outfit if you're wearing something basic. But yes, I love her too. I think I should get her a new strap because I should get her something longer, but I just always deal with it because I only wear her in the fall and winter, so it doesn't matter that much, but maybe I should. I'm gonna think about it. We'll see. Now, next item. Now, I know some people are not into fanny packs, okay? Some people do not care about fanny packs. And that's okay. You don't have to like the fanny pack. That's okay. Because I do. I like this one. So, this fanny pack, baby, look at that. Look at that. Look like a little black. Look at that. It is so soft. It looks like a black, like bear kind of. But it has the little warm holders here. Now, I originally bought this when I went on a ski trip one year back in the day. And I ended up purchasing this from Rainbow. And I believe it was under $10 as well. Look at me, under $10. Okay, how you doing? How you doing with under $10? But yes, this is not as plus size friendly as well. But I will say you could do one of these. Like you could just do one of these. Like, you know, put it over your chest. Now I'm a little more busty than a lot of women are. So for me it does look a little tight. But honestly, I don't mind it to be for real. Like I think this is so cute because I feel like when you get to a fanny pack, it can get a little how do I say it? Like fanny packs can get a little tacky sometimes. But this fanny pack, baby, and you know what it reminds me of? Because I want the Louis Vuitton fanny pack, okay? I know y'all seen it. It's bigger than this. I want the Louis Vuitton fanny pack that has the Louis Vuitton logo on it. I really want one of those, but I haven't had a chance to get that as a designer purchase. I hope I can in the near future. I'm going to keep looking for it and see if I can find it for the low because it'll be out of season in a couple seasons. So I'm hoping I can find that. But yes, this reminds me of that. Like kind of when that came out, even though that one's like Sherpa, is it Sherpa? I can't remember. I have to look at it again. It's either Sherpa or it's fur like this. I can't remember. But this resembles that to me, just in a more off-brand way. But I really enjoy this. I feel like it's super discreet. And also, you know what I like about fanny packs as a plus size girl? You can hide your mid area a little bit sometimes with fanny packs. Like if you want to wear something tight, but you don't want the lining of your bottom of your stomach to show, you're trying to hide it a little bit. Fanny packs are really good for that, and crossbody bags. And I tend to do that sometimes in my looks because I just feel like some things I want to wear tight, but then I'm also like, this would look better if I just pair with a fanny pack, and it would just look more seamless and more like clean cut to me. Like that's just how I like things to look. Let me tell y'all something. I saved this baby for last because she is the piece. She is the statement piece, okay? When I tell you she is the statement piece, she is. I'm telling you. And y'all have probably seen this on a shorter video I've done on, if you guys follow me on other social platforms, you've probably seen this bag last year. But I really didn't get a chance to wear it like that. But I need to show it in this fall into staples video because when I tell you this is a staple piece for a handbag, girl, you can't wear this with everything. But baby, Miss Kurt Geiger, oh, look, hello. Do y'all see this? When I tell y'all, so this was gifted to me for Christmas by my sister. And my sister, like literally, when I tell you, first of all, my family in general, they're just really good gift givers. Like I feel like that's just a jack of trade that we just have, okay? And we just kind of listen to each other like throughout the year. We just remember small things about each other. And sometimes on Christmas, we'll just pop up with gifts and you're like, wait, why do you remember that? Why do you remember I wanted that? So I remember me and my sister having a conversation about Kurt Geiger bags. And I told her how much I wanted one. And I wanted one. And she found me one. And y'all, I didn't even know this thing existed. Okay, I know about Kurt Geiger, but I didn't know this one existed, baby. And when she pulled this, and she got me a matching wallet. It's just like a black wallet. And it's like, it's that shiny patent like faux. I can't think of the material right now. But it's a nice quilted wallet. It's black. And y'all, she got me that too. But this bag right here, I cannot wait to wear her again this season. I'm so excited. I got to wear her maybe once or twice last season. But you know what I also love about the Kurt Geiger XL bags? When you're a content creator, there's so much room in here to fit everything. I mean, you got the front. You got the, hold on. You got the back. Like, y'all, this thing is so huge. And then it has the bird on the front. So you, wow, knock it over. So you still have the bird on the front, which I love. But yes, I don't know if y'all are not hip to Kurt Geiger, y'all need to get on the Kurt Geiger bags because I just feel like they're affordable. And they're also, they come in really nice bags. But yes, you can clearly tell I love a fur bag, okay? Like, how many fur bags do you need, Vanessa? You never can have enough. But this is the biggest staple item I feel like I have for handbags for fall and winter. And I just wanted to share these items with you all because y'all, like I said in my previous video, I just love fall and winter. And the pieces I have in my closet, I cherish them because I have them season after season. And I'm not ashamed to say I keep things. Like, these are things I feel like you should keep. Now, some things I need to let go because they're out of season, they're out of touch, they're out of style. But the items I'm showing you, they are still in style to me. I feel like I haven't had a reason to get rid of any of them yet. Any of the items I've shown you in this video for these handbags, I don't feel like I've had to get rid of any of them yet. And I just don't, maybe the white Sherpa one might go out of style in a bit, but I don't know. I kind of don't care a little bit. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, some things I don't care about when it comes to fashion rules. I don't care sometimes. But yes, these are the staple items I wanted to show you as far as my texture handbags. And once again, I hope you guys are enjoying this Fall into Staples series with me. I need to decide what I'm doing next for Fall into Staples, but stay tuned because it will be something good and I know you guys will enjoy it. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, run it up for your girl as always, because we're trying to get more voices on this platform, okay? We're trying to let more people see us and see who we are, especially my plus babes, okay? I'm always gonna do it for y'all. If it's one thing I'm gonna do it for y'all. Alright? I'll holler at y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out.